What's up, buddies? My name is Shailesh, and you are watching eBuddies. A lot of freshers feel the stress when they are asked to make a CV or resume because they don't know that what is to be mentioned in it and what exactly is required by the interviewer. So today we are going to tell you a very simple process with the help of which you can make an attractive CV and impress the interviewer with your professionalism even if you are a fresher. And if you are facing difficulty with your interview preparation, then don't forget to watch our previous video which is on important tips and tricks to crack any interview. I will give the link for the same in the description box. You can check it from there. Now let's start this video. The application which we are going to use to make our resume is Intelligent CV. I will give the link in the description box. You can download it from there. Now let's open the app. As you can see, the interface is very simple. You just need to click on Create to start the process. Now here are various head points or the key features required for the CV. If you want, you can add some points, like for fresher, I will add 2 head points, interest section and achievements and awards section. And I will remove this projects part. So let's start filling the details now. In personal details, enter your full name in capital letters. No need to enter your address, it's not that important in today's scenario. Now please enter an official email ID. Don't fill things like stargaming@gmail.com. Your email ID should contain your name, so create an official email ID if you don't have one. Enter an active mobile number which is in use. No need to give your photo, it takes too much space and we need to sum up our entire CV in one page. And after this, while filling education details, go in reverse order with recent BE degree, then 12th diploma degree and then 10th. Enter your average CGPA till 7th semester if you are in final year, and then add more section for 12th, also called as higher secondary certificate. Enter your percentage, then similarly add a section for 10th called as secondary school certificate and save all your information. Experience part I will give as a bonus tip at last, so please see this video till the end. Now let's proceed with skills part, which is the most important part of your CV after experience. So for this, before filling, make a list of all your skills and then among them choose the ones which are required for the job profile you are applying. And skills like decision making, leadership are common, so you can add them and rate them according to your expertise. Don't overrate or underrate your skills. Keep it what exactly it is and save them. Now for objective part, you can take help from the examples and choose one of them which is the best for your job profile. If you want, you can edit them a little so that they suit your profile properly. Reference section is for experienced professionals. So if you are a fresher, leave that part and move to next important section. Experienced candidates can fill the references they have. Now let's move to interest part. Here you can enter your hobbies which will help you to grow in that particular job. Also you can mention some of your personal interests, like for me it's elocutions and speeches. So you fill some hobbies like this and save your details. While filling achievement section, try to be more specific with your awards. I know we have worked very hard for them and we want to brag about it, but keep it a little official and mention the prestigious achievements that you have. It will help you to create your positive impact. Now when it comes to experience, freshers feel a little stress about it. But don't worry, even if you are a fresher, you can tell them about your internships. Just enter your company name, enter the title as intern and mention your experience in the details section. Also you can enter the projects you have made in your lower semesters. That does count in your experience, and this is the bonus tip I was talking about. Just enter the details about the project and leave other column blank and save your information. Now once you are done filling all the details, just click on View CV. You can see various templates. You can choose any of them, but go with the professional black and white ones. It looks nice and effective. So these were the points you should consider while making your CV. Now make sure you hit that like button to help us reaching more students. Share it with your friends, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if not done yet. Soon we will be back with some new, innovative and amazing content. Till then, see you later.